Ropes Organization Walcott Foundation Indian Trust Special Coaching to 8th, 9th and 10th classes Digital Virtual Learning Bangaru Palimani Rugangavar from Pedapunjani by Reddy Pullimandal.
Chairman Dhansekaran. Director Drive Sri Lata.
Hi everyone, this is Sivkumar from Ropes Organization. So today in 10th class coordinate geometry we discuss about the formulas and about main important problems. Okay, so yesterday what are the formulas we are using mainly in the coordinate geometry? That's we saw that one. So today some more formulas what we are using, that we will see. After that directly we will go to the problems. Okay, see, first of all in the coordinate geometry distance and midpoint and slope, centroid, these are the formulas we are using. See here we are using distance formula and midpoint formula and section formula. It is very important. And fourth one slope, fifth one area of triangle, and sixth one centroid formula. Mainly we are using these 6 formulas in this chapter. Okay, so this is the one. Now we will see in our chapter what they given, what we have to find. See, main problems we will see now in our 7th chapter coordinate geometry, the public examination purpose, what are the important one, that's we will observe this. See here, if you go to the exercise 7.1, in that 7.1 what are the mainly important problems, that we will see in this one. See, for 2 marks purpose they will give like this. This is the one. Verify the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 1 are collinear or not. See, when they are asking about the collinear or not, see, the distance of any 2 distances, the distance of 2 points between 2 points is more than the distance between another 2 points. Okay, so to find this one, first we have to find distance between 1, 5 and 2, 3. Again we have to find distance between 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1. Again we have to find distance between 1, 5 and minus 2, minus 1. Okay, see, sum of 2 distances should be more than the 3rd distance, then only the points are collinear. Okay, so otherwise that the 3 points are not collinear. First of all, what is collinear? Collinear means which are the points lie on the same line, on the straight line. So which are the points lie on the same line, they are collinear. Okay, see, if you observe this one, this distance between these 2 points, this is the point. See, distance between these 2 points is greater than this point. See, if you observe this, it is the starting point, it is the next point, it is 3rd point. These are the collinear points. Then we have to find this distance and this distance and finally this distance. Okay, see here sum of any 2 distances should be greater than the 3rd distance. For example, ఈ 2 distances find out చేస్తే దీనికన్నా more గా ఉండాలి. Okay, so this is about the collinear. See, first we will see this one, how to find. Here points 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, 1. They given 1, 5, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1. See, question number 3 in 7.1, 1, 2, 3 2, and minus 2 comma minus 1. They are asking to check whether these 3 points are collinear or not. Now we'll see this one. See, let's take this is A, this is B, this is C points. Now first we have to find AB distance. Let us take this is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Like this we have to find. See, AB distance formula we know. What is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So after writing this one, we have to substitute the values. 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 whole square plus y2 3, y1 2, 3 minus 2 whole square. That is equal to 2 minus 1, 1 square, 3 minus 2, 1 square. Then we can write 1 square value 1 and 1 square value 1. Then we can write root 2 units. AB distance and BC distance. BC distance we have to find. See, BC distance here x3 minus x2 whole square plus y3 minus y2 whole square. From this, see here x3 minus 2 and x2 minus 2, so minus 2 whole square plus here y3 minus 1 and y2 3, so minus 3 whole square. From this we can write root of minus 2 minus 4 whole square plus of minus 1 minus 3 means minus 4 whole square. Then that is equal to root of 4 square 16 and 4 square 16. Then we can write root 32. That's we can write as 16 to the root 16 into 2. That's we can write root 16 into root 2. Then 16 value, root 16 value 4. Then 4 root 2 units. And CA distance. CA distance is nothing but x1 minus x3 whole square plus y1 minus y3 whole square. See, in the finding distance, what is the second vertex? Second point is there. From that coordinates, we have to subtract first point coordinates. So here second A is there. That's why x1, y1 first we are taking. Okay, see here, see what? First of all, A what? A is 1 minus of minus 2 whole square and plus 2 minus of minus 1 whole square. This is the value substitution. Now here 1 plus 2 whole square, 2 plus 1 whole square. Then finally we will get 3 square plus 3 square. That's we can write 3 square value 9, 9 plus 9. So root 18. That's we can write as 9 to the 9 to the root 9 into root 2. That is equal to 3 root 2 units. What is CA? Here, if you observe this one, root 2 units is AB and BC is 4 root 2 and CA is 3 root 2. So if we observe this one, AB plus CA is equal to BC we can write. See, AB distance what? Root 2 and CA distance 3 root 2 and BC distance 4 root 2. So here AB plus CA we are getting as BC. So sum of two distances is equal to the third distance. So here A, B and C are collinear. When it is coming like this, collinear, like this, then we can write this type. Okay, so here 1, 2, 2, 3 and minus 2, minus 1 are collinear points because the sum of two distances is equal to third distance. Okay, now this is the way how to find whether the given points are collinear points or not. Okay, this is the method to find that one. Okay, so next we will see another question. So in finding of distance we know what is x2 minus x1 whole square and y2 minus y1 whole square. This is a, so in this one, this is very important. So that is a fine. Next, another one. If you observe this, observe the fifth question. If you observe fifth question, see, by observing this one, they are asking, in a classroom, 4 friends are seated at the points A, B, C and D as shown in the figure. And Zarina and Funny walks into the class, and after observing for a few minutes, Zarina asks Funny, don't you think ABCD is a square? Funny disagrees. Use distance formula, find which of them is correct. Why? See, after entering into the classroom, here Zarina is asking, by observing this ABCD points, Zarina is saying, what is? Zarina asks Funny, don't you think ABCD is a square? Simply, Funny disagrees. So, Zarina is asking to Funny, what is? So, by observing this ABCD points, is it forming a square? Immediately, Funny said, so disagrees. Disagrees means not forming a square. Okay, in this one, who is correct? That's we have to find. See here, observe here, if we join this one, A, B, and D, this is point C and D. If you observe this one, these 4 points are forming a square. See here, points 1, 2, 3, 3 units, 1, 2, 3, 3 units, 1, 2, 3, 3 units, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is forming, this is the point, this is 1, 2, 3. So all sides are equal, so it is forming a square. So we have to prove here, this is the one, this is the x-axis, this is origin, it is x-axis, it is y-axis. Okay, here also if you take this one, this is the first box, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this we have to take. So after taking this one, we have to write the point. So what is point A? So is point A is this is first, second, third. So it is on the x 3 is there, on y 5 is there. So point A is 5 not 4. Okay, point A is 3, 4. And point D. What is point D? See, point D is here on 6 comma and 1. This is point D. And go to point C. Point C. So this is 9 on the x-axis and here 4 on the y-axis. This is 9, 4. And B. If we go to B, here on the x-axis this is 6, on y-axis this is 7. So here A is 3, 4, B is 6, 7, C is 9, 4 and D is 6, 1. So if you find AB distance, BC distance and CD distance and DA distance, if you get the same length, same distance, then these ABCD points are forming a square. Then when it is forming a square, then Zarina is correct. If it is not forming a square, then Funny is correct. Okay, so we have to find the distances. Okay now, right. See, just directly we'll say 6 minus 3, 3 square, 9 and 7 minus 4, 3 square 9, 9 plus 9. This it is getting root 18 units. And we'll see BC distance. 9 minus 6, 3 square 9, 3 square 9. Next 4 minus 7, that means minus 3 whole square. That is also getting 9 plus 9. Then root 18 units. And we'll see this one. See here 9 minus 6, 3 square and 4 minus 1, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square, 9 square, 9, 9, root 18 units. We are getting 18 units. And AD if you observe, 6 minus 3, 3 square, 9, and 1 minus 4, minus 3 whole square means 9. Then it is getting 9 plus 9, root 18 units. So this all the distances we are getting root 18, root 18, root 18. Okay, so all the distances is getting same value, so it is forming a square. Then who is correct? Who is correct in this both members? Then Zarina is a correct. Okay, like this we have to find. You know, this is also one of the important questions when they are if they are asking a pictorial chart, then that is the correct. Okay, that is important. Now we will see this next. Here, if you observe that one, show that the following points form an equilateral triangle. It is important. Okay, it is one of the important question. See here, it is forming a equilateral triangle or not. Then when they are asking like this, then first we have to find the ABC distance. ABC distance. So after finding this one, see, it is a triangle ABC. If we take this one, A as A comma 0, B as minus A comma 0, C 0 comma A root 3. These are the ABC points. By using this one, we will check whether it is forming an equilateral triangle or not. We will see this. Okay, now we will see here AB distance. AB is equal to root of minus A whole square plus 0 minus 0 whole square, that is equal to minus 2A whole square, that is equal to root 4A square. That we can write as 2A units. 2A units. And BC distance is nothing but 0 minus half minus A whole square plus A root 3 minus 0 whole square. That's we can write, see, minus half minus A, this means A square plus here A root 3 whole square means A root 3 whole square means root of A square plus A square into root 3 square. Square root cancel. Then root of A square plus 3A square. That's we can write as root 4A square. Square root of root 4A square is 2A. It is also got 2A units. And CA distance, root of CA, A minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus A root 3 whole square. Then directly you can write as A minus 0 is nothing but A square plus 0 minus, that means minus A root 3 whole square. That's we can write as A square plus A square into root 3 square. Square root cancel. Then root of A square plus 3A square, that is nothing but root 4A square. This is also 2A units. So here we got AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All the three sides are equal. So A, B, C are vertices of equilateral triangle. So this is the conclusion. Okay, like this we have to find this one. So if you find like this, see, this is the 6th question answer. If you find like this, you will get the whether they are giving 2 marks or 4 marks, then 2 full marks you will get. Okay, see, if you understand this one, please like and share this video, and don't waste the time. Prepare properly this type of problems which they given in the exercise, and even examples also. Prepare well and get the marks. Thank you everyone.